This should put a smile on your face. Think about your future. What do you think about the idea of selling your restoration business? Do you ever think about it? If you're like some people, you might think about it every day. But I want to get you to start thinking about that big financial exit and what you'll do with that. Maybe you'll start a new venture because you're too young to sit on a chair and watch Oprah reruns. Or maybe you really are ready for retirement and you're going to sock that money away and build up your retirement savings. Or maybe like one of my clients who didn't really need the money, he said, I'm just going to use it to buy a bigger boat. I want to get into some of the questions that you need to start asking yourself today to get ready for that day that you're ready for a big exit. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos and I coach restoration folks all over the country because I'm passionate about a couple of things aside from my family. One is helping restoration owners to get more profitable. Another is to help them reduce the chaos in their business. And the third thing is helping them build something that they can sell someday for a big financial exit. Okay, so what do you need to start thinking about? Well, you need to start thinking about when you're ready, because it takes planning, it takes time. From the minute you decide you're going to sell your business, it could take as long as a year. Sometimes it's much faster, not very often. Sometimes it's longer, but I'd say on average, out of all the clients that I've helped go through the sale process and myself, plan on about a year from the time you decide to make that decision to get it on the market. But the other thing you have to think about is the business ready to sell? And what does that mean? Well, you're probably aware that selling a business, the price that you're going to get for the business is usually a function of a multiple of the profitability, right? So is your business able to, one, generate enough profit to get you the number that you want for your exit? And also, and just as important is, are your finances able to tell the story? Are your business financials in really good shape and they're able to tell the story to a prospective buyer? Because going through the due diligence process can be really difficult. And there is a lot of scrutiny when it comes to the financials. The bigger the exit, the more scrutiny. So you need to be really prepared for your business to be able to tell the story financially about what's going on. This is one of the areas that I help clients with all the time. Sometimes a client will come to me because they thought they were ready to sell the business and they realize that their financials are a mess and they need to get things buttoned up before they can put the business on the market. Sometimes I'm working with clients who know that they don't want to sell for another 5 to 10 years or more, and they're doing the work now to get their business really tight. Systems, financials, job descriptions, just a really tight operation. It takes time. So one of the things that I've done is I've coached for years, since 2009, restoration business owners in these areas, getting more profitable, reducing the chaos, helping them get out of the day-to-day operations so the business can run without them when they decide to move on. And ultimately, all this comes back to building a business that's worth a lot of money. So what I've done recently is I've started a coaching program called the Restoration Profit Academy. We meet weekly and we go over all the elements. I've broken it down into 5 modules, but we're hitting on all of them at any given time, just like I do with my one-on-one coaching clients. And we're making progress in these areas that will help increase profitability, not only for today, but also to help you improve the value of your business when you decide to sell it. So, back to the beginning. You've got to ask yourself, are you ready? And if you're not, start thinking about when you will be ready. And is your business ready? Can your business tell the story through reports? Is your business able to generate profit and loss statements? Is your balance sheet accurate? Are the financials able to tell the story about how wonderful your business is? And if not, that's okay. Mine couldn't always either, but I worked on it methodically over the course of years to get it to that point. And I can help you through all of my trials and errors, I can help you reduce that amount of time. If you want to learn more, just click the link below this video, book a call with me.